Hello everyone, in today's video I will guide you through how to log into Venmo with a new phone number. Make sure to follow along step by step for a smooth process. Let's start by opening the Venmo app on your device. If you've recently changed your phone number, you may notice that the app is trying to verify the old number that's no longer active. Don't worry, you can still log in. On the login screen, enter your email address or username and your Venmo password as usual. When prompted to verify your account using your old phone number, select the option that allows you to verify in a different way. Venmo may give you the option to use your email for verification. Check your email inbox for a verification code from Venmo. If you don't see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you have the code, enter it into the app to confirm your identity. If email verification isn't an option, or if you're unable to complete the process this way, you'll need to update your phone number in the app settings. To do this, once you've logged into Venmo, tap on the Me tab by selecting your profile picture or initials in the bottom right corner of the app. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to access the Settings menu. From there, select Account and then tap Phone Number. You'll see an option to update your phone number. Enter your new number and confirm it by typing in the verification code that Venmo sends to your new phone. After this, your new phone number will be linked to your Venmo account and you'll be able to log in using this updated information in the future. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next one. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.